In this video, I'll be showing you how you can set up an automatic reply on Gmail. So it's simple and easy. Let's say you plan on going on a vacation or a leave and you like to redirect people that will send you mails to a different representative. You can do that. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So I'll be doing this on my mobile phone, but then you can do this on your Gmail, on your laptop or your PC. You just move to your settings, you are good to go. So you just need to follow the procedure here. So now let's start. I'm talking a lot. So what we need to do is tap on the hamburger menu here. If you're on a mobile phone and you want to go to your settings, so the top left corner of your screen, the three bars there, I tap on that. I scroll down and I move to my settings here. Good. And I select the email I want that to take effect on. So I select the first email, which is a tutorial email, and I scroll down here and on here, choose the vacation responder. So under the smart reply or the meet, on top of the meet, you can see vacation responder there. You tap on that and good. You can see the interface here. They're going to give you a time frame. So first day and the last day. So vacation, you need to have a start date and then a day of your ending. So we just tap on that, the date, first date, to set up a date. So let's say we've chosen 1st January. We are in 2025. So 1st January 2026. Good. And our last day is automatically set to, I chose it myself to January 31st, 2026 as well. So I add a subject. You can edit it by yourself. So the name of our channel is K-Brother. That's why I did that. And then you can add a message. So I'll get back to you soon. Contact Amanda. I'm currently unavailable. And you can check this. So you send this to only your contacts. That's if you're at a workplace, people that you send them mails frequently, those will be your contacts. So you can send it to them, or you can choose to unselect it and you send this mail to everybody. So me, for instance, I'm going to get brand deals and I run a channel. So definitely people wouldn't be on my contact. So I just need to uncheck that. And after that, I tap on the done here and I'm good to go. It's saved. So within this time frame, 1st January 2026 to 31st January 2026, within this time frame, if someone sends me a mail, whether the person is on my contact or not, the person is going to get that mail, something like that. Forward this mail to Amanda. I'm currently unavailable. So that's it on how you can set up an autoresponder on Gmail. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Have any question, you let me know in the comment section. And that's it for the video. Once again, peace.